Namaskaram. Good and bad times are a part of life, but sometimes the bad times just never seem to end. Namaskaram and welcome to our channel. We make content that can help you better your life, so please do like, share, subscribe, and remember to watch this video till the end. It's like we're stuck in a rut despite our best efforts. This could be attributed to the presence of tamas or negative energy around us. Too much of the earth element or tamas in the environment makes things feel heavy, dull, dark, stagnant and negative. But fear not, there are many powerful ways to bring positivity to your life and home. First is to light up incense sticks or sambrani. Aromatherapy, including incense, has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. This is because our sense of smell is directly connected to our emotional center of our brain. The use of incense sticks or agarbatti is an ancient practice that can infuse positivity into your home. Incense sticks are crafted from bamboo, rolled onto a paste of charcoal powder, sandalwood powder, agarwood oil, sawdust, and adhesive. After sun drying for several days, they are dipped in aromatic liquids or resins and emit fragrant perfumes that attract positive energies. Lighting one every day creates a balanced and peaceful atmosphere as well as cultivates sattva, the ability to think positively. In addition, incense sticks also cleanse the surrounding air to remove lingering negativity. Sadhguru says that the power of certain substances like sandalwood is harnessed in something called sambrani. This resin, not just a fragrance but an atmospheric clarifier, breathes life into any space and energizes it. Even a mild sambrani can make your indoors feel like outdoors. In the Hindu culture, sambrani is burnt for 11 to 12 days after a family member's passing to purify the air completely. This is because it also acts as an air purifier, removing bacteria and toxins from the air. He adds, consider trying Isha's pure incense sticks, dhoop and sambrani made from raw materials like sandalwood, rose and jasmine. Now here is how you can prepare homemade incense sticks. Mix 1 part of charcoal powder with half part sandalwood powder, half part resin, which is wood gum powder, with water and make a dough. Take a little from it and roll it on bamboo sticks and dry it in the shade. Now sambrani, unlike sticks, cannot be made at home as it comes ready-made in crystal and powder forms from trees. Natural sambrani may have an uneven texture, so be vigilant against the chemically synthesized or artificially prepared versions. While buying sambrani, check out for the added fragrance and the terms computerized at the back of the package. If you find these, then it's man-made and not natural. Second is light a lamp. A lamp lit with ghee or oil holds medicinal qualities and profound symbolism. It increases receptivity and enhances communication. Now there is a reason why the storytellers of the yore told stories around campfires. Ghee in particular has antioxidant properties. Sesame oil, castor oil or pure cow's ghee are believed to exude positivity. So when you light a ghee lamp and keep it nearby, it creates a radiance that emits electromagnetic waves that not only brighten the surrounding but also opens up the mind and activates the sensory areas of the brain. Lighting a lamp also purifies the air and fills a space with a soothing, positive and spiritually uplifting energy. The third is burning camphor. Another ancient practice that holds profound significance is the burning of camphor. Camphor is traditionally made by distilling bark and wood of the camphor or kapoor tree. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and stress-relieving qualities. Camphor fumes have a unique power of releasing healing energies, dissolving dense energies and amplifying the positive ones. The fumes of burning camphor not only purify the air but also have potential health benefits. An NCBI article confirms that inhaling this purified air can be beneficial for conditions such as epilepsy, hysteria and rheumatism. Additionally, camphor has antimicrobial and insecticidal properties. When burnt, its fumes rid the area of mosquitoes and other pests. The fourth is ring a bell or blow a conch. You may have heard of bells ringing in the morning or a conch shell being blown around your neighborhood. In the realm of traditional practices, the melodious sounds of bells or the echo of conch holds special significance. The sound waves produced by ringing bells serves a dual purpose. They not only ward off negative energy but also help in clearing microorganisms present in the environment. Blowing a conch shell creates vibrations that ripple through space, harmonizing the atmosphere and invoking a sense of positivity. So start small by ringing a bell or lighting your lamp and then maybe move on to blowing a conch shell. A conch is always blown twice. It is blown before the morning puja and can be blown at sunset or during the evening puja. The fifth are plants. Keep plants around your home. They not only remove negative energy but also cleanse the aura, maintain energy flow, and even have the potential to improve your health when cared for correctly. Tulsi in particular is very beneficial. Placing a tulsi plant at the entrance of your home in the northeast direction can help remove negative energies and promote peace and spiritual well-being. Aloe vera, according to Vastu, helps maintain oxygen levels, balances energy flow, and channelizes positivity and happiness. It's recommended to keep this plant in the east or the northern direction. The next is rangolis. Ever tried your hand at making rangolis with your thumb and forefinger? This aligns with the mudra yoga, which suggests that this gentle pressing generates positive energy within the body. Turmeric-infused rice flour called rangoli, known as kolam in the South India, is believed to attract positive energy and prosperity in the family. It also has a practical side, as it was traditionally drawn to provide food for ants and other creatures. According to spirituality, you are a temple and your home is a temple too. And one of the most powerful ways to bring positivity into your home and life is through yoga and meditation, which is known as sadhana. In my experience, negativity has no power on you if you are doing your yoga practices regularly. Yoga and meditations act as a kavach or cocoon, protecting you from the evil. The breathing techniques, breath and awareness, clear energy blockages and balance your body's energy, bringing positivity into your life. A study on exploring the therapeutic effects of yoga and its ability to increase the quality of life says that sustained practice of yoga also leads to important outcomes, such as changes in life perspective and an improved sense of energy to live life fully with genuine enjoyment. So follow these traditional practices and watch as your life transforms into a more positive and prosperous life.